So in this video, I'm going to be getting you familiar with your Microsoft Excel user interface. So if you're a beginner data analyst like myself, one of the easiest to learn when it comes to data collection, cleaning, and also data analysis is Microsoft Excel. But it's important to actually understand the user interface so that you can be able to know what to use, why you are using it, and even when to use it. All right, so when you open your Microsoft Excel, I guess this is like the first thing that should appear. All right, so here we have recent. So these are like recent workbook you've opened. So all these are like different workbook in your Microsoft Excel. Now, you see here, this is blank workbook. So we want to start like a new project. So we're going to double tap on our blank workbook. So when you open your blank workbook, this is your Microsoft Excel interface. So this is the interface here. All right, this is your interface. Like in your workbook, you have different sheets. So you can open as many sheets as you want. Okay, as many sheets as you want. But here we just need one sheet. So, but you can open as many sheets as you want. All right. So all of these things are called a ribbon. All these things here, they are called a ribbon. So all these things are called a ribbon. Everything here, they are called a ribbon. And you can see different ribbon tabs. So these are different ribbon tabs. So this is the home tab. This is the what WPS PDF tab. Okay, this is the insert tab. This is the page layout tab. This is the formula tab. This is your data tab. This is your review tab. This is your view tab. This is your developer tab. As many tabs as you want. Okay, and then this is called the quick access toolbar. This is the one above the ribbon. It's called the quick access toolbar. So you can customize as you want. So whatever you add and remove, it will be, you see it added here. And whatever you don't want, you can remove it and it will be removed from here. So this is the quick access toolbar. Okay. Under each ribbon tab, you will see different groups. So this is the clipboard group. This is the font group. This is the alignment group. This is the number group. This is style group. This is cell group. So under each ribbon tab, you are going to be seeing different groups, different groups, different groups, different groups. Okay. And then in each group, you are going to be seeing different commands, right? So each group has different command or different features. So, but each group has different commands. So this is the cut command, this is the copy command, this is the format painter command. So each group has its own command. So now each of these box is called a cell. This is called a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell. Okay, so all of these things are called a cell, and this is called a name box. So this name box tells you your active cell. So my active cell is in C5, so that's why you are seeing C5 here. So this is called a name box. So it tells you your active cell. So the value in the name box is changing. If you see, the value in the name box is changing. So it's B2, B3, B9, C6. So it's telling you the name of the active cell. And then this is called a formula bar. Here is called a formula bar. So it tells you it tells you the formula in the cell or the value in the cell. For example, if I type your database, if you notice, it's showing here on my formula bar. So it's showing on my formula bar. So whatever value or whatever you insert in your cell, it's going to be showing in your formula bar. So if there's like a formula here, like you want to calculate something and there's a formula here, you're going to be seeing the formula instead of the value. So, but we're going to be doing that in our next video. So it shows you the value in your cell. Okay, so now for the cursor, you notice there are three types of cursor here. So notice this cursor, notice this cursor, and then notice this cursor. Okay, so this is the highlight cursor. So I want to highlight many things. So this is called the highlight cursor. So you can use it to highlight as many things as you want. If you notice, see, yeah. And then this other cursor is the move cursor. So let's say I want to move this your database still from here to this top. So you can see, I want to move it to say here. You can see. So when you see this cursor, it's saying move. You can move. All right. And when you see this cursor here, this tiny one, it say fill. is to fill. Like say I want to fill many cells as I want with your data bestie. As long as I'm highlighting it, I'm filling it up. Okay, so let's undo. So this icon here in your quick access toolbar is your undo. So I want to take it back to what it was before. And then if I want to redo, I'm going to use here. Okay, all right, so let's delete. All right, so here's our scroll bar. This is our scroll bar. So if you have like many data, you're going to be seeing them here. It's called the scroll bar. It's called the scroll bar. And this is your column. It contains your letters. This is called the column. Contains your letter. And this row, this is the row, contains your number. This is your row. It contains your number. Okay? Contains your number. So these are the basic things you need to understand when it comes to Microsoft Excel. So in my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do simple calculation with your Excel formulas and functions.